Volkswagen has unveiled the ID.UNYX, a China-exclusive electric SUV derived from the Cupra Tavascan. This new model marks the debut of VW's ID.UX series, which will eventually feature 5 distinct electric vehicles by 2027, produced in collaboration with JAC under the Volkswagen Anhui joint venture. The ID.UNYX boasts a sleek design, closely resembling the Tavascan but with distinct VW styling cues, such as sharp headlights and an LED light bar. Measuring 4,663 mm in length, 1,860 mm in width, and 1,610 mm in height, it features gloss black elements and a gold and black VW badge. Powered by an 82.4 kWh battery from CATL, the ID.UNYX offers 2 powertrain options. The base model comes with a 228 horsepower rear-mounted electric motor, achieving an estimated range of 385 miles per charge based on the Chinese testing cycle. The flagship version combines a 228 horsepower rear motor and a 107 horsepower front motor for a total of 335 horsepower, with a slightly reduced range of 351 miles. Designed specifically for the Chinese market, the ID.UNYX showcases VW's commitment to expanding its electric vehicle lineup in China, leveraging local manufacturing partnerships to deliver cutting-edge electric mobility solutions.